Today we're looking at this very strange tangerine. We got it at our 99-cent ranch store. We're going to open it up and test it out.
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio.
I think instead of just cutting it, I'm just simply going to peel it myself. Looks like it's pretty dry. Peels easily. I'm going to be putting this in my salad today. Okay, so let's taste a small slice. Got a very nice taste to it. So you see all these bumps? That's what made it unusual. Okay, so be right back. I'll show you how I put together in my salad. Okay, so today what we're having is a tangerine salad with a little bit of coleslaw. Now this is red leaf lettuce and it's been washed already. So we're just going to dump it in here. You can see it fills it in. This is a combination of red leaf lettuce, butter lettuces, and everything else. And then we're going to just put this on top. And then we're going to cut them in pieces, like cut them in half. So they're like bite size. And these have a really nice flavor to it. So it gives you a different flavor for your lunch salad. Now another thing I'm doing is I'm using coleslaw, which I got from Sam's Club this morning. It was on sale for $1.74. Can't beat that price. And I like coleslaw. I'm going to mix it in by hand. Try not to make a huge mess. And as a shortcut today, I'm going to use, this was bought at Sam's Club, white balsamic vinaigrette with a hint of citrus and basil. Anyway, I'm going to mix it up. And I use several tablespoons, as you will see. I don't eat much oil, and so this helps my skin. And then we have to get tongs. So then we just do this and we just mix up with the salad. And this will be all ready to eat for lunch. So you have a combination of your lettuce salads and red leaf lettuce and the coleslaw. And we'll put some of these tangerines on top. Well, thank you for watching this short video.